Thank you. So when we're doing those questions, x minus 2， 我看到有小朋友给我的答案是 x 减2。It's not good enough. It's x minus 2 absolute value. Correct? Kevin, Jason? Okay, so why we have to add this absolute value is because you squared it and everything squared it's going to turn out to be positive. Right? Kevin, understand? 这个地方非常重要啊，如果你们在学校里面 But instead, for the x minus 2 and power 3 and cube root, it doesn't matter. It is x minus 2 because could be positive and negative. 那这件事情变成什么样？ We need to be extra cautious when we see the even number showing up on the radical and square root. Understand? Oliver? 这个非常重要, okay? So let's take a look at this one, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So this one is what? Also x minus 2 absolute value, right? Because they have a 4. Okay? Okay, so now let me ask you a question. So if I tell you x minus 2 equals 1, so what is the value of x if it's x minus 2 absolute value equals 1?
Would it be 3?
It could be, 我要你写清楚啊，不要直接给我答案，是 x minus 2 could equals 1 or x minus 2 could be negative 1. I want you to write down very clearly, okay? Because 你现在 Jason 一看就能看出来答案，题目一复杂以后就不行了。So if you have them exclusion, put them into the 2-case scenario, then no matter how complicated, you can still do it. Understand, Jason? So it's x equals 3 and x equals 1.
I think if the question is like even number root, the x will be positive. Like for square root or for square root will be x will be will be positive. But if like cube root or 5 square root, can be positive or negative.
So you think you're doing the other way around. 你看 Andy, 你把这个数放进去 x 等于1的时候也是成立的 x 等于负1的时候也是3的时候也是成立的 because they have squared everything. When you see a number has been squared or 4 times power, no matter it's negative or positive, they show up as positive. But in fact, inside the bracket, it could be negative. 你看这个反过来，这个就不行啊。这个 positive, 这个没有 positive, 这个可以 positive, negative. I don't care about it because no matter how it's going to be, could be done.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, right? Okay. 好，那我们来看一下第 number I and number J. Okay, these two questions, I'm not sure if you do the factoring before or not, so that's why I think this question is a little bit over. So this one is actually equals x plus 2 squared and square root. Understand? Okay, so now understand is x plus 2 absolute. Get it? Okay, for this one, is x plus 1 squared. 不行，我的字越写越小了。对不对？然后再 square root。那这个时候怎么办，小朋友们 ？You need to do x plus 1 and x minus 1 absolute value。记得吗？一定要有 absolute value 啊 ，Kevin 知道吗 ？OK， 你这很容易忘记的啊，对不对？啊，我又不对不对？对，你看，帅的人一般都很容易忘记的，我跟你讲。开玩笑，为了保持我帅，我要。
Wait, what's my name? What's my name? I forgot.
让我看你 name 现在是什么 ？Lamau。
Oh yeah, it's like this.
哦，你就弄点这种事情好了 ，Andy 啊，哎 ，Vicky，你 Andy 再不乖，你帮我去打他啊。
Oh, there's 它好。
我交给你了啊。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This one, we can simplify this one first. So it's negative 1 over 8 and x power 6. 对不对 ？Okay, 1来了。对不对 So how do we do it? Because it's negative, so and it's power 3, so very easy. It's negative 1 over 2x squared. 小朋友说这里有个 square 有什么关系？这个 square 没关系，因为这个 square 是在 negative 的外面的，so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this one, hi Elaine.
Hello.
Hello. So equals square root 10 over 2x squared. 对不对？我们先把下面的出来，对不对？那上面的没办法怎么办？没办法你就放着 square root 10。这个笔真的是
都会学的越来越像。
over 还不习惯 2x。好了，这个时候要不要干嘛？绝对值一定要加上。OK， 你可以把2拿出来，但是 x 上面的绝对值一定要加上啊！我看到很多小朋友这个绝对值又没有了，对不对？对啊，鹏鹏是不是很容易忘记？对不对 ？So that's a very important thing. OK， 好了，这个地方一样，看到数字不用去管它的 Oliver。OK，we have 16, 81. Because those ones very obvious, they are positive, so you don't have to do it. So it's 2 over 3, right? So here is x power 8, so it's what? X squared. 在这个地方我什么都不用做了，为什么？ Because this x have a square on top of it. So no matter it's negative or positive, they showing up as positive. Get it? So the why we're doing this, I want to just emphasize, okay? When you have a rational even number rational, Elaine, you need to make sure everything you take out is positive. You need to make sure everything you take out is positive. If it is not positive, you're not sure very positive, you need to put a what? Absolute value on top of it. 那什么时候它肯定是正的？哎 ，x squared 它肯定是正的，对不对？但是什么时候它有可能是正，有可能是负？ Power 3 or power 4 or x itself, you cannot identify if it is positive or negative. Understand everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at number P. Okay, so number P 是什么？ So 81 cube, rational 4 equals what? Equals 3, right? And 16 rational is 2.
Yeah.
Right? So x power 3. X power 3要不要加绝对值啊？要加的。OK， 你必须要加的。为什么？因为 x power 3有可能是 negative 的呀，对不对？它里面把它弄成 positive 了，你出来不能是 negative。Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at number 7啊，这个地方看起来就很可怕，对不对？好了，老师教你们一下，然后你们再做，好不好 ？Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We have learned, so x is a basic thing. Let's just a peeling onion inside. So this one is what? It's 1 over 4 and a square cube 3, right? And equals what? Equals x 1 over 4 times 1 over 3 equals x 1 over 12. Get it? Okay, so this was just a one number. Okay, 好，下面呢 Oliver. So this one we have 2. Don't forget 啊，这个 y 是什么？这个 y 是1，对不对？好了，这个很简单，变成 2 over 3 and y 1 over 3。好，这个地方没有数字，它其实就是什么 cube. So equals what? X 2 over 3 times 1 over 2. Sorry, 我的字越学越小。So y and 1 over 2 times 1.
Make it
1 over 2. So equals x power
老师，你写大一点吧，不太看得清。
对啊，哎呀，我也是，我的
I agree.
I agree.
Yeah. Yeah.
We just have to listen to her vocally.
Same.
OK，重来，我再写的大一点，重来。啊，我也很痛苦啊，因为我换了一支笔，你们知道吧？我现在不太会用这个笔。
Oh
I
yes,
have a
That was
question.
weird.
going update.
Why don't you just use the mouse?
The before one broke.
Mouse is hard.
Mouses are terrible.
Oh, mouse is even harder.
Yeah, they're terrible for drawing. I have a question. What pen do you use for
Not.
drawing?
She doesn't draw. She does
你看
not
这个
What?
是
drawing.
Oh,
这不懂不懂？哎哎哎
That's a giant.
，That's good. Okay, and we do another square root for this one, right?
Drawing Among Us.
So
Wait, who's drawing Among Us?
不要画，不要画，先弄掉，快自己弄掉。老师已经那么可怜了，你们还要这样
Probably
欺负？
Andy or something.
肯定是 Andy。
What?
It
一
is.
个叫做 LOL 的人，是的，是 Andy。
对啊，Vicky，我跟你说，你作为他的姐姐，是不是应该帮我打他？
哦，我
Why
下去
my
看个
box
文
looks
件。
weird?
We need to live stream it.
对啊。来来来，我们那个
来
看
那我把电脑拿过去。
看 Vicky 直播做 Andy 啊。
Andy's
this is the most epic thing.
That's the best
老师，
moment。
他拿了一把剪刀，他要谋杀我。
真的吗？
I'm gonna get some stuff.
就有情人在那上面乱涂乱画画的那个小人。
Andy, are you alive still?
What did I do?
I want to. I have already recorded that splendid moment. Okay, everybody, let's take a look at this one. So we have what? X equals 1/3 power, and y is 1/6 power. Correct, everybody?
Yeah.
So do one by one, okay? Especially for you, see, there's nothing here. 你把这个2写上去，把这个1补上去，把自己补上去，好不好？来，我看到很多小朋友这个题都做的不太好，我们现在再一起做一遍，好不好？这道题 number C. So 2 and 1. So first is what? Is actually half, 哎，又小了 x half times 1/3 times 1/4 equals what? X to the power 1/24. OK， 好了，每个人再试试看啊！我不管你做对没做对 ，Number D, Number E, Number F， 重新做一遍，好不好？
Bro.
嗯哼，because 我想休息会儿。
Okay.
老师，你哪个是乘，哪个是 x 啊？
没有啊，对对，下面是 x， 上面都是乘。
Don't you just use a dot?
哦，
Do we send you the answer?
啊，不用发，这个怎么发？
Impossible to
这
write.
好难发呀，不用发了。那个老师
Just
相
do
信
like
对，老师特别相信你们。你们这个班级的小朋友，除了那个 Andy 经常要被 Vicky 打一顿以外，别的都挺好的。
What? Why don't you talk to Jason?
没有，我跟你说啊，这个就是血脉压制。你们有没有看到那个小视频上面，一个小弟弟不愿意做作业，然后爸爸妈妈拿他们都没有办法，然后姐姐一出来，弟弟马上就把作业全做了。啊
The sister often beats the child.
Yeah, I need to just record these things. So next class, I just showed it to Andy and Vicky. 啊，可是 Andy 和 Vicky 长得一点都不像的。
它不是个狐狸吗？
对啊，我们是龙凤胎，我们是异卵双胞胎。
对啊，怎么会这样子？为什么这么好？我也想生2个不一样的，然后一起生，多舒服呀！
What?
对啊，就有个男版。
Don't you just want like a duplicate of me who's like,
No.
wow, I'm the most amazing person ever and do all the homework you want me to do?
哦，那算了算了，duplicate of you. I just had
你
it
要累
enough.
死了。
I already had enough of you. 啊，
I
看到没有？
didn't you.
看到没有？啊，继 Vicky 打
And
Andy，
it's the hair.
哎，继 Vicky 打 Andy 以后，你们看到鹏鹏打老师啊，真是太没有人性了。
I
OK，Oliver，
just send you the answer. It's
yeah,
not
see,
hard.
so one of this 3, so it's 1/3, and y 2/3, and z 3/3. 好，有些小朋友说3/3怎么办？那3/3不就是1吗？ 对不对 ？OK， 好，这又有个 square root，那这边就是2乘以3，
Which question are you doing?
然后 1 over 2
D
d number d， 所以是 x
D?
power 1 over 6 and y 1 over 3 and z 1 over 2， 说对了没有？
Yeah,
对了，
嗯哼，
Yes
对吧啊
I think.
OK， 好，这里看到没有？3个连的 square root， 3连怎么办
That's one of eight.
？3连直接1 over 8，
Why would-
2 over 8 and z 3 over 8， 对吧？那个1 over 8直接可以1 over 4。好了，说完了。好了，那这里呢，老师再教你5个方法。这边是 Andy 啊，我要把 Vicky 放到你旁边了啊。
with a ruler.
我觉得 Vicky 你也不要2个房间了，就1个房间，然后一起揍他。真是。Okay, so we have this one. So 2, 3, 4 times together, 1 over 24, and y 2 over 24, and z 3 over 24. So the answer is x over 1 over 4, and y 1 over 12, and z 1 over 8. 啊，字有点难看，就这样子啊，大家就是看着办啊，就是随便了啊，不要找老师啊。Okay, so let's take a
I'm
look
gonna
at number
sue
8.
you.
Let's take a look at number 8. Okay, number 8是我想跟大家好好讲一讲的这个部分啊。Explain why x squared y equals absolute value times y squared。为什么这样？因为这个 y squared 它 obviously 它肯定还是它肯定是正的，对不对？要不然它不能待在这个里面，对不对？但是 x squared 它有可能是负的，比如说负1，负1的平方是不是就是1？那拿出来就是什么？如果我们拿出来应该是1。但是如果没有 absolute value，就变成负1的 y square， so it's which is not right. Understood, everybody? But why
Yeah.
this one we don't have to absolute value it? 因为如果 x 等于负1，x 的4次方还是等于1，那 x 平方还是等于1。只要出来这个数字 ，you can make sure they're positive. You don't have to put absolute value sign on top of it. Understand, everybody? OK? 所以这件事情很重要。Kevin 听好了。If the thing inside the rational you take out of the rational, you cannot make sure the thing out of rational is positive. You need to put an absolute value sign on top of it. 听清楚了没有，每个小朋友？非常，我这个 Jason 的头发好好。
Old man.
怎么跟
Jason
马辣椒一样呢？
Jason，而且他每次我跟他说，我说 understand，然后他就开始眉毛，他就开始动，你知道吗？嗯，Jason，我觉得你真是不去讲相声，真是可惜了。OK，那我们来看看这个 x 的 power 3 square root， 然后这个要不要 x 要不要？因为它加了 restriction，x 大于等于0，所以它就不用加 absolute value 啦，对不对？好了 ，Kevin 说明什么？还有另外一种方法，什么时候不用加 absolute value？ 就是它有 restriction。这个 x or this variable is actually bigger or equals to 0. Understand? OK, 11我不说了，因为 absolute 这个 rational 里面都不能够加 negative sign， 对不对？这肯定不行啊，对不对 ？What's wrong? 那我们来看看 number 12. What's wrong? 哪里 wrong 了？
Everything.
哪有 everything 都是 wrong？
It just does not equal.
Something.
First of all, the grammar is wrong.
Yeah.
Like the
Said
bracket.
what is wrong, and that's actually not a sentence.
好了啊，你们英语都好死了，好吧？
I'm drawing Among Us again.
No.
知道了啊，对不对？Nothing is right 不是有人说 What's wrong？ 然后有小朋友说 Nothing is right. Actually, teacher, I'm so sorry to tell you, but that's a sad moment. Very sad. Nothing is right. OK， 好了，那我们看看第13题 What's wrong？ 啊？
It's supposed to be
对呀、
not RXY.
No, because 这边
No, because
对
it
啊
doesn't work because you have to plus 2xy to make it x. plus
OK，
y.
好，鹏鹏说，他说加了这个，他说 x 平方加 y 的平方加上2xy square root 等于 xy。哎呀，
She is right.
这样就对了吗？
Absolute value.
We
Absolute value.
Yeah, absolute value, Cindy Majigi. Yes, okay, everybody, good job.
啊
OK，没有 absolute value 不行，对不对？或者我怎么说啊？我说 x plus y is bigger or equal to 0，对不对？好了，谁在说话
Andy.
？Andy 的妈妈在教育 Andy 吗？
Yeah.
No.
Telling Andy to stop drawing Among Us.
What? I'm not drawing Among Us.
没有 Andy
You
的妈妈
are.
说，Andy 的妈妈说，Andy 你这，Andy 说，Andy 的妈妈说，Andy 你要是再不乖的话，我就只能来揍你了。
What?
I must do the unspeakable.
好，OK，上个星期的作业我们讲完了啊。
Slay.
老师，我们讲作业已经耗掉了1/3的时间了。
说的太对了。
那这个作业很重要啊，
Yeah，
这个作业很重要啊！你们要是不好好做的话，这个作业这个怎么弄啊？
Among Us.
对不对 ？OK， 好，我们现在来
let's hear about the absolute value again.
Okay, everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so today we're going to do the next one. It's called radical and factoring at the same time. Okay, so this part is getting hard. We have already know that if you see a radical, and also could be written as a fractional exponent, right? For instance, 我觉得 Oliver 有点不高兴。Oliver，
He's depressed like me.
你要不要老师让你给大家唱首歌，你就高兴了？
Yes.
No.
And the gallows and
Let's
I don't know.
go.
因为 Jason 就
Let's
很想
go.
唱。Jason，你不用那么高兴，我一看到你的眉毛我就很高兴。我跟你说，
Yeah,
我
go
们以后
Jason.
我们整一个班级的小朋友都要给 Jason 发一个红包，鉴于他每天都让我们这么开心。Square root equals 2 to the power half。而且我跟你们说啊，我那天问 Jason 的妈妈了，我说 Jason 家里是不是就是这么快乐的？他妈说没有啊，他跟我们话很少的。我说他在我们班级里面的时候，跟 Andy 两个人根本就是可以，我都不用说话，就他们两个人上课就行了。要不
I
是
live in 2 different universes.
No, seriously，
Yeah,
啊
that's
要
right.
不是啊，要不是我还知道点数学啊，根本就没有我说话的份儿，我觉得。Okay, so rational power 4, so we can write it as x 1/4, correct? Kevin, correct? Andy, Vicky, correct? Okay, so if we have x power
Yeah.
3 and here 4, so basically the thing inside is numerator and the outside is denominator, so it's x power 3/4. Get it?
Wait, carry law.
Yeah. 干嘛眉毛
About the absolute value thing.
Yeah, very good
You
question.
add it.
Yeah, 这个
You add it.
It is powerful 啊，
When
对不对？对不对？对不对？对不对？ Okay, it's power 3 inside. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Without the variable, how we get the simplify the thing inside? So this one's very easy because 20 equals 2 times 2 times 5. So because 2 times 2, when you have the same friends inside the square root, you take out when 2 become 1, right? So make 2 become 1. So that's why it's 2 square root 5. Kevin, I'm not going to explain this question because it's too easy. OK, 不用看了啊，眉毛也不用看了，对吧？ OK, 好，下面来看下面一题。So simplify 24 cube root cube root 怎么做？
2 to the power 3.
So cube
Because
root
the
equals
answer's there.
2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times
Times
3
3.
and cube，
You divorce the twos.
对不对？3个小朋友变成1个小朋友，对不对？好了，那一个小朋友很孤单，让他继续留在里面吗？
Did 3 kids turn into 1?
那反正没办法嘛，谁叫他们在那个里面，对不对？
Which 2 got
It's like
murdered?
this one kid killed 2 other kids.
Oh,
Jason，
that's what I'm saying.
根本
How did the 2 get murdered?
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. If we have number and variable at the same time, okay? So first of all, we always do the number first. So 180 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So we take out 1, 2, and 1, 3 out and leave the 5 inside. And x power 6 could be just to put as 3 2个 x 的3次方，对不对？所以就 x 的3次方拿出来。那 y 的3次方怎么办啊？那变成 y 乘以 y 乘以 y，所以2个 y 出来变成1个 y，所以还有1个 y 留在小房子里，孤独的和 5 在一起，所以是 6x power
还是没
y。对呀对呀，他们是
一个 Y，
一个 y 和一个
那个
5，
逃过了一劫。
对不对？他们2个人孤独的在一起了。OK， 好了，那这个时候 Kevin 要说了，老师啊 ，Then how about fraction? That's the same thing. OK, that's the same thing. You do the top and do the bottom. And whatever in the top still keep the top and bottom still keep the bottom. So let's take a look at number 4 and you do yourself. 好，每个小朋友做一下第4题。做一下，写一写，把笔动起来。
Power 3 or power 4?
嗯哼
Is that a power 3?
，power yeah power x power 12。
Oh, it's just
嗯
this. It says now recognize that 64 is a cube number.
你不要偷看嘛，你可以做。
I already did.
OK， 小朋友们呢，这道题目要不要 absolute value 呢？来，
要吧？不对，
要个毛线？
我要
不要
毛
为什么不要？那 Vicky 你不能猜的啊，Vicky 要么就是要，要么就是不要，对吧？要不要？所以你说要吧还是不要？So you need to think about it， 对不对 ？Answer is x power 4 over 4。那你看 x power 4是一个偶数的 power，so absolute value is not necessary because we can sure x power 4 is already a positive number. Get it? Okay, so it doesn't necessarily need the absolute value. Get it, everybody? 啊，对不对？不能瞎猜的啊。
Wait, so it needs absolute value and the exponent is an odd number?
对呀，那我问你啊，我
That's
给你
it.
看，我给你看啊。如果这道题目变成这样子 ，Jason，x 12，然后下面是16，然后这里是4，那出来的时候是不是 x power 3？然后这边是2，对不对？那要不要 absolute value？
要
当然要，
It depends.
因为里面是偶数的，外面出来变成奇数了，我这个没有办法保证这个出来一定是 positive 的呀，对不对？那就需要 absolute value，understand？
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Got it.
嗯哼 So changing the mixed radical 怎么这么糊？
Because your photo skills are going downwards. I don't know how to say it in English.
I'm sorry，今天鹏鹏是过来客串的啊。啊，不行不行，这是太糊了，我看了看不清。
Read it. It's so obvious. Your eye skills are also decreasing.
Example 5. Write 3 radical 5 as an entire radical
哦，Thank you
solution.
Jason。好，那 Jason 帮我们读了，那我不用再重新来了。OK， 好，来第一道题目。啊，第一道题目他说 entire radical，that means what？哎，我说过了，数学是什么呀？ Math is a process of you going forward and you know how to get it back，
Yeah.
对不对？哎，就像三文鱼一样的，你游出去，你要知道怎么游回来，对不对
You dig the three out of the grave.
？Kevin，that's the same thing。你出去跟别人出去玩了，然后回家不知道路了，完蛋，对不对？是不是一回事情？
但是三文鱼
打电话
出去就不一定回得来了。
三文鱼不是不回来了吗？
三文鱼每次都回来的，三文鱼都在出去
回得来了，那
产卵的。
边又
Are you living in Vancouver? Oh my god！
No, they actually live in a
They
lab.
come back
哦，但
to
是他
die.
们不是那个游到小溪里面，然后就死在那儿了吗？
没有，它不
然后
用产卵，它是在这个地方
然后就
出
死在
生的，
那里就回不来了。
然后它就出去
Yeah, they
浪
go
了，然后浪了
No,
一
they go
辈子，
back.
然后再回来产卵，然后就死在这儿。对啊，这一
They
样
come
的呀。
back home to die.
Yeah, no, they come back home to give birth to the next
Oh,
generation.
they give birth and then they just
And then they die.
the next generation never got to see their mom or dad. They're orphans.
Oh yeah, technically, all the salmons are orphan. Well, that's good. That's good to know.
We need salmon orphanages.
Oh my God, I feel so sorry for salmon. OK，好，
No, but
你知道了怎么把这个数字从这个 radical 里面拿出来，对不对？ So now we need to put the radical number back to the little house, right? 好了 outside there's a 3, right, Oliver? So put it back is what? The 3 became 2.
Threes.
When they put it out, the 2 became 1. So now is 一个变成2个了，对不对？ So 3 times 3 times 5 equals 45. 好了，那我们来看看这里。哎呦，这个东西是啥呀？
Negative 4x
Or
to the
square
power 2,
two.
I think.
It's 3 or 2?
2.
根号
2?
x
Huh? Wait, then what is 5x? Is that 3?
5x to the power 1.
3.
Oh.
What?
OK，是这样子的，好吧 ？OK，好，那怎么办？小朋友们，你们知道了，这个 negative 啊，跟如果没有 bracket，跟他们没关系的。OK，you only take a look at this one. This one is a takeout. So you put 4 inside, it became 16, and take x squared inside, it became x power 4, and then times 5 and times x power 3. Get it? So the answer is square root 80 x power 7. But don't forget
Negative.
negative. Got it? Got it? 这个还简单呢，对吧？这个还是挺简单的，对不对？OK，
If
好。
it were clear,
来，这个不要
I'd
做
be
了啊，不要做了，
standing
反
so
正我也看
tall.
不清楚。好了，小朋友们
What's that?
，A B C D
你这
A
咋不是歪的，就是斜的呢？
Vicky， 差不多了啊啊！跟着上面一节课有一个小朋友挑战我，然后所有的题目都做了 double， 你自己看着办吧啊。
Spill the juice.
撒我闭嘴。
A C E G A K，OK， 一共6道题，开始做 ，OK。6道题，划圈的题目做。如果有人在对老师什么唧唧歪歪，就前面2边、左边、右边都做。
People were putting fireworks outside my house.
Because of
I'm wearing headphones, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
money. Does I have no answer?
I don't know.
Bruh.
Should I send you the answer? Yes?
OK，我来报答案啊。
报吧。
我有的时候也是瞎做的，我跟你们讲，所以你们要监视我 ，OK？ First question, negative 3,
Don't look at me when you're
Correct.
0.3,
Correct.
negative 2,
Negative 2.
negative 2.
Impossible.
No answer. 0.2. Okay, that's the answer. 如果有错的，自己站起来打一下屁股。OK, that's it. 我就不多说话了啊，自打。Okay, so now let's take a look at A C G，哎，对，剩
A
下的
C
6
G
道题，
What？
剩下的6道题，请大家做一下。
哪6道题啊
哎，因为肯定是左边的6道题嘛。啊，你们
哦
要做右边的6道题。
？No no
OK
no no no，those ones are harder。
OK，好。
No.
Aren't we doing the right side?
鹏鹏说不要做左，
Yeah.
那我们就听
No,
鹏，
I was
我们
asking.
做右边的6道题。OK，
I'm
one two
sorry.
Let's go.
What?
Try me. This is not cool.
Mom, I need new glasses.
那我跟这个班级里面的小朋友，我都可以睡觉上课都没关系。
I'm going blind.
Oliver, right? I can just be sleeping and give you class. You don't mind, right? We're such good
Cow
friends.
outfit.
Well, that's not nice
Oliver
though.
每次上课都是那个 cow outfit 的，我跟你们说，每次 every time。
Or the
我决
weird
定
white tank
我
top
决
made
定
in China.
我决定下一次给 Oliver 买一套那个 Tiger 的，不行，每次都那个奶牛服，我有点审美疲劳了。
I have the same thing.
你想要吗？我给你也
You
买一
want
套。
the? You should get the rabbit one.
Uh,
哎，你说你
That
这样好不
fits
好？
in
哎，
like
哎
2 years.
我们这样
全班
子
的，
全班同学我们穿一样的衣服，要不要？
yeah.
We
Bro, I want
had
a gaming
sponsor
chair
one,
like
and
Oliver.
everyone could dress up cows.
可以啊，哎，我们想好，
Bro,
我
have
们
you?
选好，小朋友们选好，然后我们每个老师这次给你们每人买一套回来，然后一上课，Kevin 说
Mm,
，Kevin 说，我可以不参加你们这种幼稚的活动吗？Kevin 说，我作为一个帅哥，我为什么要参加你们这种活动？
I want a gaming chair. Can you gift me that? Like, no, look at the one that
Literally
Oliver
sitting on a
has.
gaming chair.
X rocker. I have an office chair.
Oh,
What do you want, Jason?
I want an office
A
chair.
gaming chair.
Give me your
Oh,
office chair, and
yo.
I'll give you a normal chair.
I want the RTX 4090.
哎，我觉得你们这种人啊，真的太 greedy 了，还想要什么了？你怎么不说你想要天上的月亮啦？
I want,
Can I have the moon?
can I have the sun?
Shush！
Can I have Pluto?
RTX is better than
不想理你们，你们
Can I have a math class?
Okay, yes, you can have it. Thank you, Jason. Everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so the first question answer is half. Second one, the
Yeah.
answer is positive and negative 10.
Negative.
Haha, I have seen somebody's already making mistakes. Oh, this one's positive and negative too as well.
Haha, I have seen someone already make mistakes.
我刚刚故意说错的，没有一个人说，没有一个人来纠正我，没有一个人来纠正
Well, it was
我，
because
对不对啦？
Yes,
那
we
我
just
为
think
你
you're
们
think
的
you're
正
like
方
yeah,
努力啦
exactly.
就在那边想要东西，想要东西，做错了还想要东西，集体起来打屁股。
I want.
Okay, 27 is what? The answer is 3. Okay, and this one is negative. 哎呀，又写不出来了，完蛋了。Negative 2. Okay, so number J, the answer is what? 有没有人要改答案的啊？
No, yeah.
自己刚刚前面做错的应该是什么
Positive, negative,
Lost negative.
Negative 2.
Yeah,
Yes.
good job.
Last one.
positive, negative, Paw Patrol.
Negative. What? 0.2.
OK，
Wait,
好了，什么
what？
地方？什么 what？什么 what？真的那个头发。Jason,
He keeps changing his hairstyle.
Jason, let me ask you, why it is negative and positive? 刚刚跟你们讲
Pardon?
过。对呀、
Wait, how is it 0.2?
How's it not?
Wait, never mind.
Jason 拿出了计算器，我跟你说。Okay, so everybody change to the simplest radical form.
Oh,
Okay,
we have to murder more people.
okay, everybody. 6 questions 不能再做错了啊！再做错真的打屁股了啊！好吗？好好做好吗？看看清楚正负啊！看看清楚正负，在这里没有正负的，对不对？这里没有，应该没什么东西。有的话看看清楚，好吧？好，让老师休息会儿啊。
Should we calculate it out?
No, so like for the first one, you do like 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and you go like put them in pairs and kill them, I guess.
What?
So like for actually never mind. Where's Vicky?
3 in.
不知道。
Well, you're the one who like told me what the question was, so you should know.
快点，过会儿才能说。你现在
No,
努力
my question is, do you put the 3 in or do you leave it there?
哪
And
里有
put the
3了？
Is that not a 3?
什么东西嘛？
For question Jeff.
这个啊，
Yeah.
是我刚才解释过，我现在拒绝回答。
你没
就
解释，你就说吧，他们都
把这个3要拿出去，我现在是要 simplify，不是放回去，是放出来。
哎呀，
题目有没有看清楚了，大姐
You just scroll down.
？Change to simplest radical form.
Okay.
What's your opinion on jazz?
My mom will literally sniff jazz.
What?
Can we agree what the best instrument is right here?
A piece of paper.
Minecraft.
Minecraft is not an instrument.
It is like the jukebox.
My grade one
Juice
teacher
that makes
using
your
elastic
head
string
explode.
cardboard.
Hopefully this is correct.
你补充里面一个练场的一个我按照我也记得嘛，这个会需要的说，这是蛮多次的。
做好了吗
Yeah.
？OK，好，小朋友们，我要讲答案了啊！我来讲答案了啊！
Wait, one question. 1 second.
That's very low.
好个
所以然后就是上个你要讲嘛，60分不就还蛮高级的，还不的问题是所有的犯罪，马这些犯罪。
是 Andy 的妈妈在说话吗
Yeah. I think from like
？OK, so 32
go
plus
now.
what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and square root， 对不对？好了，等于什么 ？4 square root 2， 对不对？下面 75 5 times pi times 3 equals 5 square root 3。OK， 下面2乘以2乘以2乘以2 square cube。Sorry, cube root.
2 square.
So 2, 2 and cube. 看清楚啊，有没有人错的啊？这45等于什么？等于3乘以3乘以5 and 3，对不对？好了，这个，哎呀呀，我的笔。OK， 这个有什么？是把3拿出来，所以外面是3乘以3，然后5，所以等于9 and square root 5。
Does it though?
OK, so 3/4，对不对？6乘以9，对不对
9乘以5
？So 3乘以3乘以3乘以2。So Vicky 看到没有？是2个出来变一个，对不对？那就变成什么？4/3乘以3，对不对？So inside 3和2很孤独，还在里面，对不对？所以是4 square root 6。好，最后一题里有个 negative 啊，小朋友们。So it's -2 times 2 times 2 times 4 times 2 times 2 sorry times 2对不对？好了 cube 好了，小朋友们，这个什么怎么办？你把3个 negative 拿出来，变成一个 negative， 所以等于5/6 times
Oh, it was correct.
-2。好，里面是什么
-4.
？No，里面是
-4
+4，
Oh
里面
wait,
是
+4 because you took out the negative.
对不对？我 took the negative out。
I didn't do
So
that.
-5/3 and square root 4. Get it, everybody? Okay, so Kevin, understand 为什么出来是 negative？因为你看，你要 make sure 你在里面的还是等于 -32。你看 -2 times -2 times -2 equals what? -8. -8 times +4 equals -32. So every time 这个 equal sign 不是随便写的啊。像 Jason 一看就是啊，随便写这 equal sign， 对不对？When you do the equal sign, that means the left side and right side must be exactly the same. Understand, everybody? Okay, so let's
I
take
use my equal sign.
very carefully. Okay, 好了，我们最后来看一下
You missed A.
Yeah, okay, so 这次呢，我们做这个右边的题目，好不好？OK，好了，这次有 XY 了，这就有 XYZ 了。
No.
小朋友有 XYZ 的时候要注意要不要加 absolute value，OK？
No.
How do you type absolute value?
You do the by your space bar. I mean your end bar. The one above that, if you hold shift and press it, it's absolute value sign.
Yeah.
My mom just pretended she understood what you were saying.
Oh.
I hate that sound. Let's slap. Let's slap in the middle of class.
I can, you cannot.
You can be a good bangyang and slap in the middle of class.
然后整个班级小朋友一起睡觉。
Or we can all play music to wake you.
Vicky 加油 Oliver 加油
That was incredibly rude. That offended my whole existence.
Oh, yo. 加油加油
Are
加
you
油
okay?
加油
Are you okay?
我看到我们这个班的小朋友最开心了，
Okay?
可能是因为有那个 Jason 的眉毛吧。
You have to stop offending his eyebrows.
然后
Yeah.
也有可能是因为 Kevin 比较帅，也有可能是因为 Vicky 可以跟 Andy 两个人经常打架，也有可能是因为 Oliver 穿了一个奶牛装，
You have to stop offending everyone for their existence.
也有可能是 Elaine 是个可爱的
You're right.
姑娘啊。干嘛？你对你自己的眉毛没有一个正确的认识吗，亲爱的 Jason？
He thinks his eyebrows are like
哎，我知道我送 Jason 什么礼物了，我决定
染眉膏。
没有，我决定送 Jason 一顶假发。
That's not nice. I already have some.
Really? Wow, you have a very vivid life.
It's not mine though.
Jason, what school do you go to?
Me?
Yeah.
I go to Sentinel.
What?
How about you?
你们
What
两个
grade?
人，
What
你们两个人
Oh,
应该是同
8.
学吧？那个
What
Kevin
grade?
比 Jason 大一点，所以
8.
Wait, you're grade 8
Okay.
now?
In grade 8?
那你觉
I
得，
thought he was in like grade 5 or something.
因为他
What?
because of his eyebrow，
Yeah, because of how like he doesn't seem like a grade 8.
我觉得没有，
Yeah,
我觉
that
得
makes sense.
Jason 看起来大概只有5岁
Oh my god.
，five years old，
He didn't fire you.
maximally 5 years old， 不是那个 OK，Kevin， 你不要紧张，我跟你说，他们都已经跟我上课上了很长时间了，知道吧？嗯，
我没有，我刚开始跟你上。
对，我不太认识，就这个人我不认识的。
Yeah, like I don't know.
That's so rude. How do you say that to your own daughter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
啊，什么东西啊？他
You
是我
you
老
live
板
with her for
Wait,
I
who
don't
are
know.
you again?
12 years, I guess. So rude
Yeah.
and
That
ruthless.
is literally so mean.
Andy，
I'm
你
gonna put
Exactly.
you court.
Andy， 你这皮又痒了，我要把 Vicky 散过去了。
没有
是吧
，Andy 还没开始画
Ah,
他没。
what did
Okay, so
I
everybody
do?
one by one. Okay, 49做完了没有？还有一题对吧 ？Okay, let's go.
Oh, yeah.
I thought you didn't know me.
真是的。
是的。Bro. Mom, it has appeared.
Yeah, you can go to washroom. Of course. 要去 washroom 的人就直接马上瞬间就去。Okay, so everybody, I'm going to explain.
画的挺好的。
Andy， 你的心思啊都在画画上，我跟你讲。
What?
Like not that bad.
还有 Jason， 我跟你讲，说句实话，我觉得你画的没有 Andy 好。
对啊 ，Andy's like
I'm not even trying.
Wait, who drew which one?
那个
Andy drew all of them.
Andy 说
Jason's just drawing a nice emoji. That's like my mom.
Wait, Jason, you actually go to Sentinel?
No, that's
Yeah, I actually go
Jason.
to Sentinel.
Jason
But
doing.
For
you
real?
go. For real. On God.
Oh,
OK，好，小朋友听好了，不许聊天啊，回来 back
Hella
to. So 49 square root equals 7, correct, Vicky? And x squared, so outside 是不是要等于 x 啊？是不是要不要有绝对值？要不要
Absolute value.
要不要 absolute value？不用的，因为它里面是
Yes.
3，出来就不用了，对不
Joking.
对？OK，好了，y 呢
That was the
？y
joke.
square 就更不用了，所以里面是一个 x，
Yeah.
一个 y， 对不对？哎，我这次字写的还不错啊。OK, so next one, 25. 25 out will be 5, right?
Yar.
So x 的6次方呢？哎，出来要不要的？要的，因为 x 的3次方，你看它不一定是正负的，对不对？好了，我们现在因为在学这个东西啊，
然后
所以要这样，以后就不一定要了啊，以后不管。所以 y 的怎么5次方，对不对？也需要的，对不对？因为哎，五次方要不要？哎，不用的，为什么？因为它里面是什么？是 y 的11次方。如果这个时候 y 已经是 negative 的，它就不可能存在了，对不对？就不可能 relative， 所以只要这样。
I'm so confused.
Which part you are confused?
The absolute value thing.
Jason， 我跟你说啊，在这个 y 它是11次方，对不对 ？y 的11次方存在在 x square 里面 ，square root 里面。如果这个 y 是一个 negative number， 那 y 的11次方是不是也是一个 negative number？那我问你，一个 negative number 怎么可以 square root? Because 25 is positive, x power 6 is also positive. So that's why when you take it out, that means if you take this one, so everything inside the square root is relative. So that means y must be positive. Understand? Because
Yeah.
y is 11.
No, I don't understand.
Okay, I'm going
What?
to explain again, give you some example, okay? Jason, 25是不是是个正？
Oh wait, never mind. I understand now.
Next time I'm gonna do that.
小朋友除了 Jason，大家都懂吗？为什么这个 x 需要 absolute value，y 不需要？懂的啊。
Yes.
OK， 好，那我们现在来看看 x 的4次方出来是不是就等于 x 的平方，对不对？我不用的 because x 的4次方是一个 square， 出来还是一个 square， 没有关系。可是 y 的5次方呢 ？y 的5次方变成 y 的 square， 然后里边是 y， 所以也是 correct。Okay, so bottom is 12. Get it, everybody? OK， 好，那我们来看看这个，这边是
Wait,
负8的
I
x。
have another question.
Yes.
So with the number D, is it because we don't add the absolute value?
Number D， 我们又没有做 number D。哦、number D，OK，number D，
It's number C.
that's number C。
No, it's number D. But you
Yeah.
out with your little.
Wait,
like-
no, it's number D.
Number D.
number D， 爷爷 number D， 干嘛啦
Yeah.
？number D 怎么了？你又怎么了？不要在上面乱画。So number D 什么地方又不懂了，Jason？
The absolute value thing.
什么？
不是刚讲过吗？
那我
The
再跟你讲一
absolute
遍。
value.
我再跟你讲一
Or
遍
I'm-
啊，第 number D 啊，我们再重新说一遍，因为我觉得有可能有些小朋友其实不懂的，还是不好意思问。好，25这个数字是不是肯定是 positive？Andy 对不对？Kevin 对不对？好了，x 的
Yes.
6次方是不是肯定也是 positive 的？对不对？因为你想好了，你想不清楚的时候，你就把这个 -2 放进去，你就说 x 等于-2好了。那 x 等于-2的6次方是不是个 positive number？ 对不对？
Yeah.
好了，那25和 x 的 power 6都是 positive number， 对不对？好了，那如果我现在说 y 是个 negative number， 那 negative number 的 power 11，Jason， 它是不是又是个 negative number？ 那我问你
Yeah.
positive times positive times negative， 那这个 thing inside the square
Wait,
root
negative.
它变成个 negative，
Wait,
那这
what-
道题是不
what
是就没
if-
办法做了？
X and Y are both
对不对？这道
negative.
题目是不是就没办法做了？所以不可能的。所以我们的 y 只能是什么？我们的 y 只能是 positive，x 可以是 negative
Wait,
positive，但是 y 必须是 positive。Understand？ 好了，
what if X and Y are both negative?
Yeah, what's
Then
negative?
positive times
对
negative
好，你
times
听我说
negative.
哦
，x 可以
哦
是
yeah,
negative
yeah,
Wait,
okay,
value。
oh,
wait, wait,
wait.
Wait, we
What-
can make
what-
y
what-
absolute value and x positive?
我想睡一会儿，你们两个能不能给我想一想？
Huh.
His forehead.
Oh yeah, because it's 11 here.
Wait. So we can make y to the power of 5 value and have x be positive?
Yeah.
Is that how it
我
works?
问你，x 是不是
And how
可以
about
啊？那
x
你们说，
equals
你们说，
to-
你们说完了我再说，我休息一会儿，你们说。
Stop talking, Andy. I'm trying to ask a goddamn
Yeah,
question.
okay.
OK， 好，为什么 x 和 y 不能同时是 negative？x 可以是 negative， 因为 x 的6次方，无论 x 是 positive 还是 negative，x 的6次方都是 positive， 对不对
Dude.
Yes.
？Yes，OK，、好了，那25也是 positive， 那25乘以 x 的6次方是不是都是 positive， 对不对？好了，我现在就问你，如果 y 现在突然是一个 negative number， 那 y 的11 power 是不是也是个 negative number？ 那也变成说
Yes.
25乘以 x 的 power 6 times y 的11也变成一个 negative number。那我问你，第
Yeah.
一件事情学的就是在这个 square root 里面能不能是 negative？No, never. So that's why y must be positive.
Oh, okay, now I get it.
OK，好了，那如果
嗯
y must be bigger or equals to 0，那无论是 y 的5次方也好，y 的10次方也好，y 的3次方，y 的2次方，它拿出来它肯定都是正的，所以我就不需要 absolute value 了，对不对？那为什么 x 上面要加一个 absolute value 呢？因为 x 在里面的时候是6次方，6次方就意味着哪怕 x 是一个 negative number，x 的6次方也会把它变成正的，对不对？但是我拿出来以后变成 x 的3次方了。那如果 x 是个 negative number，它出来的时候就会变成 negative number，which is not right，因为我们任何数从里面拿出来都必须是什么 positive 的，所以说我要把这个
Positive
正负方上面加一个 absolute value，懂了吗？懂了没有 ？OK，Andy，、
Yeah
因为 Andy 你做这个动作我也看不到，因为你没有手，你是个 fox。那你懂了没有，Andy？
wait, why can't my hand move? Wait,
那
I'm
你
gonna
move 呀，你
try.
move 呀，你 move 呀，你 move。
Because the Zoom people didn't design hands for the fox.
你
Oh,
Yeah, they were
yeah.
lazy.
我跟你讲
They
，Andy
were
现在
lazy.
Andy 现在是印度人，你看他懂他就摇头，印度人就 yes 就摇头，no 的不好再点头，你看他，Andy 你懂了没有？
Wow, look at
Wait, I can't move my head.
懂了没有？懂了没有？懂了，我要往下做啦。OK，好，我们下面看下面这道题目
I'm
啊。
so cursed.
OK，好，那我现在来问大家一下，我们这边有个 -8，对不对？-8是一个 negative number，对不
so it's
对？
negative.
那 x 是大于等于0还是小于等于0？小于0的，我想问大家，肯定是啊，
or 小
那不是到底小吗？那到底是大于？
小
小
对，因为这个里面的
小大小
positive 的
No, it can be positive or negative because it's to the 3.
我没说完呢，你最聪明了，对不对？好，这时候呢，有些小朋友就我挖了个陷阱，对不对？就往里面跳了，对不对？好了，我跟你说，这个 x 啊，又可以是 positive，又可以是 negative，it doesn't matter why。Kevin, take a look. Here is power 3，看到没有？如果是 power 3的话，这个小房子里面 power positive 和 negative，I don't care，都可以，对不对？好了，那我们这边只要怎么样？这个 -8就变成什么 -2 times -2 times -2，对不对？那 x 的9次方呢，是不是等于 x 的3次方乘以 x 的3次方乘以 x 的3次方？所以就变成-2 x power 3。
Yeah,
你答呢
H.
？OK，好了，Number J， 216怎么样？是等于几的3次方
Something 的3次方，6的3次方。
？OK，
Just
那 x
believe
的
me.
power 呢？是 x 的3次方乘以 x 的平方，对不对？所以是什么？所以6的 x 乘以 x 的平方。我有小朋友说，老师，那这个时候你就不用 x value 了 ，x
Wait,
value
actually, it's
只
not
有
6的
分。
3次方，but you know, it's okay.
是的，
不是
Isn't
啊
it like 6 times 6 times 6?
对呀，
哦
不是6的
，OK，
3次方吗？
OK
对呀，对不
Oh,
对？
wait.
对呀
So it would be like 6x
，6x
radical
and
x2.
x2，但是这里是3，别忘了啊。很多小朋友这里
Yeah.
别忘了啊。好了，162等于什么？
3 to the power 4 times 2.
3 to the power 4 times 2 times x power 5 and y 6 and the square root 4，对不对？好，这个时候要不要那个啊？
Yeah, no,
对不对？
yeah.
3不用，对不对？你看我这个3肯定不用，对不对？
Wait.
2留在
Oh
里
yeah, but yeah.
x 也不用，对不对？因为它这个是 x 的5次方，对不对？它肯定是原来是怎么样，它是
Yeah.
怎么样，对不对？不管啊。
Completely right.
那 y 的
agree.
6次方呢 ？y 的6次方要加了啊 ，y 的6次方要加一个 absolute value， 然后这里是4，然后这里是
No
y 的
way
平。
我对了。
为什么要加？
嗯
因为 y 的这个6次方可以直接把 y 是正的还是负的改掉。
So it's just 正的 now.
Get it? OK。当你看到里面的这个东西是一个 even number 的 power，extra cautious。 对不对？我已经看到很多题目，很多小朋友知道题目做错了啊，对不对？好，
你是
下面一题
看着谁的题目啊？You're literally just
I'm using brain, like just imagine。那我告诉你，知道题目，刚才那道 L 这道题目，鹏鹏反正没有加 absolute value，对不对？Jason 肯定没加。
you
那
cannot
Jason 你
be
加了
so
没有？你就说好了，肯定没加。那没加，对，我知道。
you can't be so like
I did not.
objective.
I
Mhm.
added absolute value on every single question.
那不行啊，
You
你
can literally
你
just
看
do
你
that. You
不
can
是
do that.
你每道都加，那也不行啊，每道都加。
Just go like absolute value. The answer absolute value.
那不行，
So easy.
那不行，你聪明死了啊。OK， 好，128等于2的几次方？
9次方 I think it's actually 7次方
A 或
7.
他们就是 A 或啥东西。
2 to the 9 is 512.
That would be 128.
OK， 2拿出来没问
Wait,
题。
I'm
好了 ，x 拿出来也没问 ，x 拿出来有没有问题？有问题的啊，就要绝对值了，因为你看到任何有那个，那 y 出来是 y 的平方不用，然后等于2。OK，so 2的 absolute value x y squared。
See, I did it correct.
有没有？你要记得，你要搞清楚到底为什么要加。OK， 小朋友们知道了吗？啊，做错的这个地方非常非常重要，知道吗？啊，
I
一道
hate
考
this
试。
absolute value thing.
OK， 好，最后一道，
We already did this.
最后
We just did this.
最后
Oh, I-
OK， 好 ，back 了啊，这个把它放回去了啊，放回去了。左边的6道题目 ，OK， 左边6道题。放回去了啊，这个简单。
所以呢，妈妈是说嘞，是有时候这个都是 mistakes， 所以让你看看你的很大的啊，对，我们曾经都他们人生，你看我那个是一样的，几周要开始嘞。对，因为因为变成以后，都蛮会变的，一直过这个。还有那个。
I know, I'm pissing you. And it makes you say that. I was making Andy mad.
What?
哎，再闹好了啊，再闹好了，以为老师不会管，对不对啊？
你不是要睡觉
I'm done.
开心啊啊，开心，
until the mom comes in with the
特别开心。
More like depression.
depression's fun too.
It can be fun.
OK， 来了啊！做错的题目，做错的人自己站起来打屁股啊！我不想说什么了啊。
做错的人告诉老师，让老师打自己的屁股。
So the 2 inside will be what? 4, right? So 3 times 4 equals 12. So the 3 inside will be 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. And 2 inside will be what?
24.
Because it's 3 over there. So this 2 became 3 2's times together. So it's 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. 但小朋友们千万不要忘了这个数字，不要忘了给我写上去啊。Okay, so this one is what? 27 times 4 equals 148. And here is 3. Next one. 2 times 4 equals what? 16. 16 times 4 equals 48. And don't forget this 4. And this one, 81 times 4, 324. And don't forget 4. And this one, 16 times 3 equals 48.
That's to the power 5.
And
That's
power
32. 32 times 3.
Oh, sorry, 432.
96.
96. Thank you, 萍萍。好了，做错的自己站起来打屁股。我做错了一道题，我自己打一下。
哈哈，嘿嘿嘿。
啊，你们全对吗
Yeah, we got it all right. 'Cause we're so
？OK，好，小朋友
smart.
们，如果你们都对，我要求你们做一下 number F
Bruh.
和 number J。
Bruh.
OK，number F 和 number
Why is there no absolute value on the 4?
Why are the numbers so big?
Oh, 我看看上面的 sign，一个是3次方，一个是4次方，都有原因。
Oh.
Done.
That's such a pretty notebook.
你话太多了。
谁画的？
Okay, so everybody, this question, Ping Ping has asked me, do we have
I
to
didn't
put the
ask.
negative sign inside? Kevin, can you tell me, do we have to put the negative sign inside or leave the negative sign outside?
Let's just leave it out there.
Leave it
你叫
out there.
Kevin 啊，你又不叫
out there, I
Kevin， 你叫 eyebrow。Okay,
out there, I
so
think.
everybody, Kevin, so let's take a look at this one, okay? You can leave them out, it's okay. 但是我们看一下，在对 F 这道题目来讲 ，for number F, you can leave it out or put it in. It's up to you. Because why? The power is an odd number. So basically, I can put the whole thing as negative 64 times 5 equals 320. And power 3. Get it? Get it, everybody? Okay, but for the number J, but of course you can do negative 320 power 3. It's also right. 但是对 number J 来讲 you cannot. You have to put them, leave them out. You have to leave them out because you cannot put the negative inside. 对不对? So the answer will be 16256乘以5
1250
256乘以5等于1250。你再算一遍。
不用，是对的。Oh wait, never mind.
1280.
对的。
Negative 1280. Get it, everybody? But don't forget, here is 4, here is 3. Come on, calculation, you have to be patient. Okay, 做点 calculation, 好不好？每个小朋友自己发现自己有什么地方不好的 it's okay. So Kevin, Elaine, Jason, Vicky, I just want to tell you, okay? It's very normal. Ping Ping sounds like she is really good at math, but she haven't doing math for such a 2-3 months. And right now, like doing 320 times 5, no, 600 whatever
256 times 5.
5他也会做错的。他刚才那个前面50道题他都做不完。
我做完了。
做的比较慢。
That's because I had to get you your water.
别的小朋友可能2-3分钟就对不对？所以很多东西知道自己有什么地方不好了，有什么关系啊？Actually，我每一次发觉我自己有什么地方不好了 ，I'm very happy about it because that is a moment I get the chance to fix it. But if you let it be and let it go, then there's nothing can be proved. That is a moment starting to get worse. Understand, Kevin? Every time you find something not very good, it's actually such a good thing because that's not the end of the world. You still have enough time to fix it. But if you let it be, 你说啊，我就放在那里好了，我现在题目做错了，对不对？就像如果我是鹏鹏，他肯定是这样子的，他就会跟我说 ，Hey, mommy, can you give me some practice? Because I feel like my calculation is getting worse.
I don't
对不对？
know.
任何一个小朋友，如果下了课跟老师说，老师，我觉得这个地方我需要再加强一下，你再多给我一点题目。I'm more than happier to give you these ones, give you these help. I'm not going to charge you anything. 我最不喜欢的小朋友什么啊？我知道我这个地方不好，我知道我反正就是头发长，然后眉毛有点奇怪，对不对？我就是不钱。
Stop abusing Jason.
No, Jason's fine. Jason know that we're just 我们喜欢他才这么说的，对不对？好吧，小朋友们，知道自己什么地方不好 ，fix it. That is the only way you get better. Understand? Don't let it be. 题目不会做，不会说啊放在那里他会做的吗？他突然有一天就突然进化了，一只鸡蛋放在那边，过了一段时间变成鸡了，会不会这样的？
Yeah.
永远不会这样的。
Yeah.
呀，然后你看Elaine，我跟你说，你生物肯定学的不好，要有母鸡坐在上面，它才会变成小鸡。
我坐在上面也可以啊。
你怎么如果放在那
I
边
don't.
变成鸡了？
Yeah.
你们家里面的鸡蛋为什么都没有变成鸡啦？
Because
啊
it's，cold. You need.
I think yeah. I
对
think
呀，
warm place
那不
can
就是
can
吗？
do it.
那你要坐在上面呀，你要做啊，你题目放在那边
No.
会做出来吗？真是，所以你们的题目就是蛋，对不对？你们就是鸡，你们要是不去孵它，它永远都不会变成鸡，永远就是蛋，知道了吧？Okay,
I like that.
so that's it for today's class. We're
蛋
gonna
就好
see each
吃嘛
other，next
把
week,
它们
okay?
吃掉。
然后可以吃，那你变成鸡不是可以吃的更好吗？可以吃的更香啊，
哎，
对不对？Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week and be careful. Okay, to this week's homework, we need to be extra cautious. 对吧？尤其是一些 absolute value，要不要加上，要不要不加上，好不好？自己每一道做好以后都想一想，不要想啊，我只要做完了，我扔掉就好了。不是这样子的，好不好？Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other next week. Okay. Oh, by the way, happy Halloween. Wish you get a lot of candies tomorrow. Okay.
Halloween or
Okay. Bye bye. Bye.